How are you? Today's topics is about string. Firstly, we know what is string. String means sum of characters. Suppose my name is Manos, so Manas, all are characters, but Manos is a string. Okay. Others language like C++, where we use char and char array. Okay, we write here suppose char and a10 like this. In C or C++ like this, but in Java here is a data type called string. Okay, so in Java string data type is present. Okay, let's see, and I explain it in a program. Okay, class, this is my class 10. Okay, so it is right here, project 10, public static void main string args. Okay, now declare a string. How to declare string? Suppose string name str1 is equal to new string. Okay, new string is suppose computer, computer. We use here both case, uppercase and lowercase also. Okay, now I want to print, so write here system dot out dot print str1. Okay, I use here println. Now save this file. Here P is always capital because it is the class name. Class name must be the capital, start with capital letter. Now save the file. Control S, mg java and c10, and the name of this file is same name as class name where the void main is present, that means prj10.java. Save. Type dir, so project 10 is present. Now compile it, GABAC java c prj10.java. Okay, now see the output of bytecode. Okay, so here the computer. Now I want to change it in normal case or uppercase or lowercase, so I print again system dot out dot println str1 dot to upper case. Okay, compile it. Okay, now look, this is capital, uppercase, lowercase. Now all are uppercase. Okay, now we change it in lowercase. So system dot out dot println, we use str1 dot to lower case. It is highly case sensitive, so you must follow this. Okay, now save it and compile it and run the bytecode. Okay, so it is mixing, it is uppercase and it is lowercase. And now I want to know how many characters are present here. Okay, so I want to know the length of the string. Now system dot out dot println str1 dot length. Okay, now look, 8 character. Okay, so here display 8. Okay, now if I want to user defined string, this is fixed computer, so how to do it? Now I declare string str2. Okay, now create a scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. Okay, now str2 is when we input numeric value, that time we use the command next int, but now we input here string, so we write here line. Okay, and use here prefix scanner sc dot next line. Okay, here we use the scanner, so requirement of header file, so I import here java dot util dot star. Okay, and compile it again. Okay, now run. Okay, now cursor is blinking, we can write here QWERTY. Okay, now I want to concat with the previous string. Concat string 1 is equal to string 1 dot concat from string 2, which user defined string, with the user defined string. Okay, now print here system dot out dot print ln str1. Okay, let's see what happened. Save. Compile it. Now run this bytecode. Okay, now cursor is blinking, so right here science is CIENCE, science. Now look, it is print computer science. Okay, that means the string and with the concatenate with the string which user define. Okay, I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you.